Good morning to all. Welcome back to this new video. Today I am going to explain about the various types of entrepreneurs based on type of business. So yesterday you saw in a last class you saw various types of entrepreneurs based on function. There are 4 types of entrepreneurs: innovative entrepreneur, initiative entrepreneur, Fabian entrepreneur, drone entrepreneur. Today you are going to learn about the types of entrepreneurs based on business. First one is business entrepreneur. Then the second one is trading entrepreneur. Then industrial entrepreneur, corporate entrepreneur, agricultural entrepreneur, retail entrepreneur, service entrepreneur. These are the various types of entrepreneurs based on business. First one, business entrepreneur. Who is a business entrepreneur? The business entrepreneur is also called solo entrepreneur. Solo means single. Single entrepreneur. He have some new ideas regarding what type of business is to be conducted, and he can implement the new ideas regarding his own ability. So he can establish large scale or small scale enterprises based on his ideas. That entrepreneur takes up production, operation and do marketing also. So he is an entrepreneur having an idea and he itself do the production, operations and marketing activities. So this is business entrepreneur. Then the second one is trading entrepreneur. Who is a trading entrepreneur? He is also an entrepreneur who buy and sell finished goods. You know what is by trading? Buying and selling of goods and services. So here this entrepreneur trade, that means they buy and sell finished goods only. Okay, so his main focus is for distribution and marketing. They are doing distribution and marketing and they can earn income by way of commission. So this is a trading entrepreneur. Then the third one is industrial entrepreneur. Who is an industrial entrepreneur? Industrial entrepreneurs are those who manufacture the products to cater the needs of the consumers or public. So they are the manufacturers who produce goods based on the public needs. They can start a small scale, medium scale as well as large scale business. So they may be a small entrepreneur, medium entrepreneur or large entrepreneur. They mobilize various resources from various places in order to manufacture the goods. This is the speciality of industrial entrepreneur. Then the fourth one is corporate entrepreneur. Who is a corporate entrepreneur? Corporate entrepreneur is called promoter. Who is a promoter? Promoter is a one who takes initiatives necessary to start an entity under corporate format. Under corporate format. Corporate entrepreneur assembles all resources and put in a place in order to organize all the business. So these corporate form of organization, ownership, management are separated. Okay, so these type of corporate entrepreneurs are compelled to register as per the Companies Act. So the fifth one is agricultural entrepreneur. So from the term itself we can easily understand who is an agricultural entrepreneur. And agricultural entrepreneurs are those entrepreneurs who raise farm products and market them. They are dealing only agricultural products and marketing them. So they are mainly based on products like meat, poultry, fish, honey, skin, agricultural implements, flowers, silk, fruits, prawn, etc. These are all agricultural products. Then the next one is retail entrepreneur. Who is a retail entrepreneur? Retail entrepreneur are those who enter into venture of distributing the end product to the final consumer, while wholesale entrepreneurs take up the venture of distributing the products to the retailer. So, retail entrepreneurs are those who distribute the end product to the final consumer. They are the dealers of final products. They are supplied to the consumers, those who are in need. They buy goods in small quantities and based on the demand they supply. Then the last one is service entrepreneur. Who is a service entrepreneur? Service entrepreneurs enter into the venture of supplying service products. What are all her service products? For example, products to the end consumers, that are hostelers, airliners, banking, insurance, financial service. These are all the products which are or services which are provided by entrepreneurs. Service entrepreneurs. They provide advisory, advertising, manpower supply, training to the HR, human resources. These are also done by the service entrepreneurs. So these are the various types of entrepreneurs based on business. Then the next one is entrepreneurs based on technology. So technical basis, the entrepreneurs are divided into three: technical entrepreneurs, non-technical entrepreneurs, professional entrepreneurs. Who is a technical entrepreneur? Technical entrepreneurs are such entrepreneurs which are skilled in particular technical field. For example, welder, fitter, molder, draftsman, turner, carpenter, goldsmith, tailor, photographer, repairer, weaver, sculptor, potter, etc. No, they are all technically experienced persons. So they are providing only technical services to the people. That may be for production or maybe for marketing. Then the next one is non-technical entrepreneurs. Now, who is a non-technical entrepreneur? Non-technical entrepreneurs are those who do not possess any technical competence. They do not have any technical competence, but have special talents to market the product successfully. They don't have technical talents to produce, but they have some techniques to sell the goods or market the goods in the market. Then professional entrepreneurs. Who is a professional entrepreneur? Professional entrepreneurs is one who is having rich expertise in starting a venture but lack interest in continuing the venture as a manager. He have rich expertise in starting a venture. First of all, he started the business and after that he sell to someone else. So they start the starting work of the business. They start with various fields, and after starting and running the business, they sold out it to somebody else. See, these are the various types of entrepreneurs based on technology: technical, non-technical, professional. Okay, now we can go to the entrepreneurs based on motivation. Who are all the entrepreneurs based on motivation? So first one is pure entrepreneur, P-U-R-E, pure entrepreneur. Who is a pure entrepreneur? Pure entrepreneur are individuals who are propelled to enter into venture by psychological and economic motives. They have some psychological as well as economic motives to achieve. So they are called pure entrepreneur. They apply their knowledge, skill and insight in making various venture and business. So like that we can see pure entrepreneurs like Ambani, Jamshedji Tata, TV Sundaram Iyengar, Sheshadriji, Birla. These are all the various pure entrepreneurs. They have some business ideas and they start business with their own interest and they earn more and more profit. Okay. Then next one is induced entrepreneur. Who is an induced entrepreneur? Induced entrepreneur is one who inspired to take up entrepreneurial activity. So they are induced to inspire to take up entrepreneurial activity. Finally, they put up policies and frame various types of business. Then they are, in other words, concessions, incentives and source provided by the government drive them to enter into the business. Government may provide some kind of incentives to start a new business. So they are ready to drive the benefits of the which is provided by the government. For example, tax relaxation. Now, if they are starting business in the SEZ unit, SEZ means Special Economic Zone, SEZ, S-E-Z. So they can earn tax concession if they are starting business in SEZ zones. Then motivational entrepreneur. Who is a motivational entrepreneur? Motivational entrepreneurs are those motivated to take up venture by the desire for self-fulfillment. They are take up the risk for self-fulfillment. They may be motivated to produce and market and service various products to make huge profits. Their main aim is to make a huge profit. For that purpose, they are motivated to do various business. Then the next one is spontaneous entrepreneur. Who is a spontaneous entrepreneur? Spontaneous entrepreneurs have natural inclination to start a venture. They are supposed to be bold, optimistic and enterprising persons. They have passion to meet various challenges. And they are ready to take risk also. So these are the spontaneous entrepreneurs and they are starting various venture or business based on their own interest. So these are the spontaneous entrepreneurs. Then the next one is the entrepreneurs based on development. That is first generation entrepreneur, modern entrepreneur, classic entrepreneur. What is meant by first generation entrepreneur? First generation entrepreneur is one who start venture by virtue of his knowledge, skill, talent and competence. So he have some technical skill and competence. Based on that, they start the business. Okay, they are not ready to take up the changes based on the changes. They are the modern entrepreneurs. Next one is modern entrepreneurs. Modern entrepreneurs are those keenly watch the market and based on the needs of the consumer, they manufacture and supply goods to the ultimate consumer. They are ready to start unmet needs of the market. They are ready to take initiative to provide unmet needs of the market. They are the modern entrepreneur. Then the next one is classical entrepreneur. Classical entrepreneur is one who starts his own venture as a family business. From lifetimers, they are called lifetimers. They are engaged in the business as a matter of routine. Their parents, their grandparents are doing the same business. They continue the same business. Pawnbrokers, then jewelers, like that. They are classical entrepreneurs. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.